Hello everyone, it's Shannon with Shannon's Crafty DIYs. Welcome to my channel. Today I am in Crafted by Corie's mini challenge. I am so excited to be in this challenge. I have three really cute gingerbread themed DIYs. Never done gingerbread in my life, but I think they are so stinking cute and I was so excited to do these DIYs. I'm going to go over the host and the playlist a little bit later in the video. Let's jump into the DIYs. So for this first DIY, this little mini rolling pin came from my good friend Carrie with Carrie's Crafts and Things. I loved the red handles on it already, so all I did was paint the rolling part in 2 coats of white acrylic paint. So next I'm just taking some of this buffalo check ribbon from the Dollar Tree. I'm just measuring what I need. I'm going to hot glue just a strand around one of the sides of the rolling pin. And here I'd already made a simple shoelace bow. I'm just going to hot glue it just over the seam so that way you're covering any open lines. Next, oh my gosh, guys, I went to Hobby Lobby and I found these super cute wooden gingerbread men, $4.99 with 60% off, guys. So I'm going to use these gingerbread throughout my video because I think they are, again, so stinking cute. So I just took one of them with a little red bow tie, hot glued it to the center of the bow, and that is it for this DIY. I'm going to show you, because I'm making 3 DIYs, I'm going to show you everything at the very end of the video displayed on my tier tray. So guys, this super cute sign came from Hobby Lobby as well. All the Christmas stuff right now is 60% off, guys. Oh my gosh, I was in love. I barely even made it through the whole entire store. I probably only made it through a third of the store when I was there. So what I wanted to do, I really like the wire. I was going to think about just keeping it upright and putting a bow on it. But you know what? For this one, I just wanted to rest it on my tier tray. So I just bent the wire back so I could keep it for if I wanted to use it for a different DIY. And I just used some regular Scotch tape and taped it to the back. So this is the super simplest DIY. I just thought, you know what? The sign was cute the way it is, but why not add a couple more of these little gingerbread just to spruce it up? And to stand it upright, just taking one of these tumbling towers and hot gluing it to the back. Like I said, guys, super simple, but yet super cute and effective. So you guys know I love participating in Crafted by Corie's mini challenge. It is hosted every month on the 3rd Friday of every month at 1 p.m. She is awesome. You will not be disappointed with her channel. She loves doing DIYs just like these. And I will leave the list of, or the playlist link in the description box as well. There's so many other participants that love to do this challenge as well. All right, guys, a third and final DIY. Again, super simple video, but I just love how this tier tray turned out in the end. So you will see at the very end. So you guys know these little easels came from the Dollar Tree. The actual frame part is 2x4, I want to say. So I just ripped off the canvas and I'm just going to give it 2 coats of white acrylic paint. This is that cutting mat from the Dollar Tree. I love that to glue to the back of paper just to make it a little bit more sturdy so it's not super flimsy. So I'm just measuring what I need and I'm going to cut that out using just a marker just to give me a guide where to cut. Again, I don't measure things as much as some of these expert crafters do, but everything always turns out perfect in the end. So now I'm just going to flip over this beautiful plaid paper. Again, it was from that book that I picked up from Michael's. It was a whole bunch of plaid paper. Taking my glue stick and gluing the cutting board to the back of the paper, and I'm just going to cut it out like that with my scissors. And just going to hot glue the 4 corners of the frame and add the paper to the back. So I have some of this double-sided foam tape from the Dollar Tree. I love this because it actually elevates your pictures a little bit more, lets things stand out or pop out just a little bit more as well. So again, you guys know I love these gingerbread, so they are the theme of or the highlight of the video. I love Hobby Lobby. Thank you so much for making such cute little decals for our projects. So I'm using some of this double-sided tape, adding it to the back of the gingerbread, and I'm actually just sticking it on with the sticker itself. You could hot glue it to make it a little bit more permanent, but I might want to use these gingerbread in another future DIY. So that's why I'm just using the sticker. So just taking some of these picks from the Dollar Tree, gonna hot glue a couple just to the top of the frame. You guys know everything is customizable. You can make it your own as well, but these are just giving you some ideas on how to do this. So using my scissors, I like to do this because instead of using my fingers and burning myself, this just allows the glue to dry without burning yourself. Now I'm just making a simple shoelace bow with some of this red jute twine that I picked out from the Dollarama. It was $2. I picked it up last year or the year before, but I know they always have this stuff, so you can always find this. So now I'm just going to hot glue it to the center of the leaves. And just taking a holly berry from one of the picks that I had on hand and just cutting off the excess and hot gluing it to the center of the bow. Next, I will just add a tiny little wooden cube from the Dollar Tree and hot glue it to the back to stand it upright. And that is it. Oh my gosh, guys, you're going to see in just a second the final reveal of my whole tier tray put together. What do you guys think? Which one was your favorite DIY? Again, all super simple, all under 5 minutes to make, really, really easy. And you guys know I also made the tier tray from one of those butter cookie tins from the Dollar Tree, just using a dowel rod for the center as well. You guys can make tier trays under $2. They are so simple and so cute to make. This was such an awesome challenge. Thank you so much, Corie, for hosting this challenge every month. I absolutely love doing it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as well. For those of you guys who are coming over to my channel, welcome. I also have an Instagram page as well, Shannon's Crafty DIYs. I do post a lot of other things there. I post things that I find at the Dollar Tree that I might not necessarily buy, but I think that are great for you guys to see as well. So definitely go over and check that out. Remember, I am going to leave the playlist link and Corie's link in the description box below, so go over and say hi. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and just give me a big thumbs up if you guys liked this video. I hope you have a wonderful day. We'll see you later. Bye.